What's up, YouTube? Bum in a Suit here. Come back another box break of Certified. $10 packs, 4 or 5 hits. Good luck. Got a hot box. Got a hot box. Every card will be numbered. I'm not going to go through every one of them. I'll rate them off though. Jason Witten, Jordan Shipley, Pushman Zada, Ben Watson, and Steve Smith, all numbered to 999 and 100. Take me too long to show them all, but we have a hot box, so everyone will be numbered, so that's nice. Eddie Royal, numbered to 999. Peyton Manning, Gold Team, numbered to 999. Nate Burleson, numbered to 999. Deshaun Jackson, numbered to 999, and Leon Hall, numbered to 100. There's a fat card in here. I can feel it. All right. There's a first hit. Drew Brees, numbered to 999. Bo Scaife, numbered to 999. Owen Daniels, numbered to 999. Antonio Gates, numbered to 999. And do a slow roll for you guys. Come on this way. Let's see if you can. It's a Colt. Alright, Raymond Berry. It's a patch or a jersey. Nice old school. Looks like a patch. No, it might be a jersey. It's number 250. 160 at 250. Raymond Berry for the Colts. Very nice. Heck yeah. Percy Harvin, number to 999. Dan Lefevre, number to 999. Felix Jones, 999. Frank Gore, 999, and Andre Johnson, number to 999. I think these hot boxes are 1 per case or 2 per case, something like that. Brandon Pettigrew, 999. Kerry Meyer, number to 999. David Garrard, 999. Steve Smith, 999. And Heath Miller, numbered 5 of 10. Wow, that's a low one. Heath Miller, gold. Mere gold for the Steelers. Numbered 5 of 10. Pretty sick. One per 8 box, yeah, so pretty much 2 other. I think there's 16 in a full case. So there's 2, but 1 per 8 box case. All right, guys, here's another hit in here. Devon Best, 999. Ryan Grant, 999. Fred Jackson, 999. I won't look at it. Zach Miller, 999. Jericho Cotry, 999 in the hit. Do a roll for you guys. Good luck. It's backwards. Let's go this way. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Oh, there's the name. Name is Jim Brown. Let's see, a nice auto. Oh, nice jerseys though. This is an old school box. Got a Raymond Berry and a Jim Brown. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece. Actually, it's one huge piece, but that is numbered 15 of 25. Really nice. Jim Brown, 15 of 25. So pretty sick. And the rest were all number 2 at 999. Brent Selleck, 999. Kyle Orton, 999. Reggie Wayne, Devery Henderson, both 999. And Thomas Jones, mirror blue, number to 100. Got 3 packs left. I'm still hoping for at least 2 more hits out of these 3 packs. Josh Cribbs, Donald Driver. That's weird. Why is that? Number 250, just a mirror blue. Jay Cutler, Aaron Rodgers, both $9.99, and a die, number to 100. 2 packs left. Only gotten 2 hits so far. So let's hope these last 2 packs have a couple hits in them. And I don't know. This better be a small autograph. Marion Barber, Richard Mendenhall, and we got a redemption. We'll save that for last. Carson Palmer, Vince Young, Tom Brady, all numbered to 999. Got a redemption. We'll save for last. The redemption's actually damaged too. I'll show you in a minute. It's all fully peeling off. Good thing the card wasn't like that. Well, the last pack. That's sick. That is disgusting. Jamarco Finley, Sean McCoy, Thomas Jones, Deion Branch, $9.99. You guys saw it first because I didn't know it was a hit. There you go. Really low numbered too. Number 3 at 25. It's going to go to the Ravens. The Ravens out. I don't know if they are or not. It's going to be 3 at 25. Ray Rice. Ray Rice Mirror Gold auto. Mirror Gold Ray Rice. Sick. That is a nice one. So whoever had the Ravens, sweet. Congratulations. And let's check this redemption really quick. The redemption, as you can see, is actually kind of tore at the bottom. See that? Good thing that wasn't the card. That would have been kind of crappy. Alright, it's going to be a freshman fabric, 279. Let's go to freshman fabric. Freshman fabric, 279 is going to be, I don't know if my camera will pick that up or not. It's going to be Demaryius Thomas. Demaryius Thomas. Oh, my camera falls over. I guess I can see that or not. Where's he at? 279. You guys can see 279 on there. Camera focused in. There it is, 279. Demaryius Thomas. I'll show you on there. It is number 279. My camera picks it up. Trust me, I'm not lying. It's 279. Alright, that was not a bad box. That was actually pretty nice. Jim Brown, Raymond Berry, Ray Rice. So, but come back with some more. Bowman Speed out.